Hi, I'm Dallas from Answer4u, and I'd like to show you how easy it is to set up call divert from your BT landline to make sure you'll never miss an important business call again. Call divert is easy to use and is activated from your landline. If it's a feature you have on your line, you need to make a note of the following codes. 21 diverts all calls. 61 diverts calls not answered in 15 seconds. And 67 diverts calls if your line's engaged. You can activate call diversion in 3 easy steps. Firstly, press star and then type your chosen divert code. Then press star again and type in the divert number we have provided. Finally, press hash and you're all done. To cancel your call diversion, simply press hash, key in the divert code and press hash again. To check if your call diversion is on, press hash while holding down star, then key in the divert code followed by hash. So that's how easy call diversion is to set up when you use Answer4u. But don't worry, if you didn't commit that to memory, you can simply download these instructions by clicking on the link below. Thank you for using Answer4u.